My name is AMMAR The metric number is 054494.
My name is BINTI ROSTAM. My metric number is 054719.
My name is AYUNI ATAN. My metric number is 054673.
My name is Zawanis binti Muhammad Zulkifly. My metric number is 05150.
Hi, my name is HANIFA binti ABDUL HADI and my metric number is 055000.
My name is SYAMILA NADIRA binti SAUFI AFENDI and my metric number is 055327.
Now, let us go through this research presentation about the acceptance of fintech online banking services among Malaysian users. The objective of this research is to examine the determinants that influence online banking users' acceptance. Second is to investigate the consumer awareness and acceptance toward fintechs. And third, to develop conceptual framework that include the determinants, which is dependent variable and independent variable.
Next, for the problem statement of this research is to investigate what things that influence bank users' acceptance for Islamic financial technology services. Is it because of the products provided by the bank, such as deposit products and financing products? Or because of the increasing percentage of people who have access to the internet? Those assumptions might be true, but might be wrong. If it is wrong, we will go deeper to find the exact things that influence the acceptance.
Next, method. The first one is research design. This study is qualitative and quantitative, which is the quantitative data can be used to measure the variables and validate the hypothesis in the conceptual framework, and qualitative assists researcher to have a clear knowledge of the target group by gathering data such as perception and experience. We also use the multiple regression analysis, and the type of data is primary data, and data sources is from online questionnaire. The online questionnaire will distribute among the target population. It is a valuable approach in gathering facts, behavior, views, and attitude. The sample of the study is 100 respondents. The respondents are users of Islamic bank technology from various backgrounds such as educational, age, gender, and monthly income. We also using data in the study to run the data that consists of 5 dependent variables and 4 independent variables.
Next is finding and discussion of the research. A p-value higher than 0.05 is not statistically significant and indicates strong evidence for the null hypothesis. This means we retain the null hypothesis and reject the alternative hypothesis. You should note that you cannot accept the null hypothesis. We can only reject the null or fail to reject it. The possible range of value for the correlation coefficient is -1.0 to 1.0. In other words, the values cannot exceed 1.0 or be less than -1.0. A correlation of -1.0 indicates a perfect negative correlation, and a correlation of 1.0 indicates a perfect positive correlation. If the correlation coefficient is greater than 0, it is a positive relation. If the value is less than 0, it is a negative relationship. A value of 0 indicates that there is no relationship between the two variables.
Based on average consumer innovativeness, age of 40 to 49, gender, educational level, income of RM1000 to RM1999 are not significant. And since the value of income of RM1000 to RM1999 is -0.15, less than 0, it is negative relationship. According to average perceived use, age of 40 to 49 and gender are not significant. And since the value of coefficient of age of 40 to 49 is 0.04 and gender is 0.01, the correlation coefficient is greater than 0, then it is positive relationship. If on average norms, age of 40 to 49 and gender are not significant, and since the value of coefficient of age of 40 to 49 is 0.05 and gender is 0.01, the correlation coefficient is greater than 0, then it is positive relationship. Ratio of usefulness, age of 40 to 49 and gender are not significant, and since the value of coefficient of age of 40 to 49 is 0.07 and gender is 0.01, the correlation coefficient is greater than 0, then it is positive relationship. Based on average advantage of age of 40 to 49 and gender are not significant, and since the value of coefficient of age of 40 to 49 is 0.05 and gender is 0.01, the correlation coefficient is greater than 0, then it is positive relationship.
In conclusion, financial technology is best described as the use of technological platforms and mobile devices to access transaction notifications, bank account and credit alerts, and debit alerts via push notifications via a short message service, application, or another method of notification. In this study, we can see most of the respondents often use the fintech. Also, lots of respondents rate higher prefer the fintech than conventional banking, but a little bit decrease at rate the all business or transaction should use online banking services. But overall, the result of the respondent show the acceptance of Islamic financial technology banking services by Malaysian users is high.